Okay guys, hello, welcome everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download Visual Studio Code on your computer. This tutorial is going to be very simple and easy to follow, and if you are a beginner, so make sure you watch until the end because I will explain everything clearly. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top and type Visual Studio Code Download. After typing it, press enter. Usually, the first result that appears in the official website from Microsoft. Make sure you click the official ones because we want to download it safely. After you open the website, you will see a big button that says download. The website usually detects your operating system automatically. So if you are using Windows, it will show download for Windows. If you are using Mac or Linux, the button will show the correct version for your device. Just click the download button that match your system. Once you click it, the download will start automatically. You will see the download progress at the bottom of your browser. At the your browser, it may take a few seconds or a minute depending on your internet speed. While waiting for the file to finish downloading, let me explain a bit about VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code or VS Code is one of the most popular code editors for developers. It's like Wake, easy to use, and supports many programming language like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, PHP or Python, C++, and so many more. It also has thousands of extensions that can help you customize your coding experience. That's why so many students, programmer, and developer love using it. Okay, by now the download should be almost done. When it finishes, look at your browser download list and click the installer file. Usually the file name is something like vscodesetup.exe. If you are using Windows, after clicking it, the installation windows will appear. It will ask you to agree to the license terms. Just click I accept the agreement and then click next. After that, you can choose the location where you want to install VS Code. But if you don't want to change anything, it's totally fine to keep all the setting. Just press next again. Then you will see some additional text like creating a desktop shortcut or adding VS Code to your path. I recommend checking the option that say add to path or register code as editor because it will make your life easier later. After selecting the option you want, click next again. Now you will see the install button. Go ahead and click it. The installation will begin and this part usually takes around 1 or 2 minutes. While waiting, let's talk about why VS Code is a great tool for beginners. One of the best things about VS Code is that it's very customizable. You can change the themes, the icon, the font size, and even the color of the editor. You can also install extensions like LiveServer for web development or Python tools if you are learning Python. There's also Git integration, which is really helpful when you are working on projects with other people or learning version control. Alright, the installation should be done by now. When the progress bar reaches 100%, click the button that says finish. Make sure the option launch Visual Studio Code is selected so it opens immediately. Okay, now VS Code is open on your screen. The first time you open it, it might look a bit empty, but don't worry, that's normal. On the left side, you will see icons for Explorer, Search, Search Control, Run and Debug, and Extension. These are the tools you will use later when writing code. If you want to install extension, click the extension icon on the left. Is the one that looks like four squares. Then type the name of the extension you want like LiveServer or Prettier, and click install, and the extension will be added instantly. Okay, from here you can start creating your first project. Just go to file and new file or open an existing folder if you already have project files and that is your VS Code is now ready to use. So that's the full tutorial on how to download and install Visual Studio Code on your computer, and I hope this helps you, especially if you are new to programming or just starting to learn how to use code editors. If you have any question, you feel free to leave a comment or ask for help. Okay, and if you have any question, feel free to leave a comment or ask for help. Okay, before we end this tutorial, I want to share a few extra tips that will help you get started with VS Code more smoothly. After installing it, one of the first things you should do is adjust the settings to make the editor comfortable for you. You can open the setting by click the gear icon at the bottom left and selecting settings. From there you can change your font size, enable autosave or adjust your theme. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.